Okay, here we've been going for mixing it for about 10 minutes or so, something like that. It's good to leave the H2O2 mixing in there for 20 minutes, thus saith some old timers, prior to even adding the newts. But I've noticed no adverse effects just throwing it all in at once. So we have added our 100 milliliters of H2O2 and 200 plus milliliters of the 1-part newt, which I really enjoy that. I used to use 3-part General Hydroponics. I'm really excited about their 1-part. It seems to do a really nice job. I've been using it for over a year now. I'm going to use this to test the parts per million. Really just a super neat little tester. All you have to do, this is just to test the parts per million. Put it in the water and it'll flash what it is. That's as complicated as it gets. See it flashing right there? It's between 500 and 600 parts per million. That's it. That's as complicated as it gets. So it's about 550, somewhere in there, parts per million, which is dandy for me. Okay, I'll set that to the side for right now. And let's grab our little pH meter. I don't know if you can see it, there's a little sponge in there that I moisten, follow the manufacturer's recommendations on that. Let's go ahead and, there we go, turn this on. Hold this up. You want to leave it in the water until it finishes doing its thing. So it looks like 6.3 is our pH right now. Wee bit on the high side. So, shut that down. Set this aside. I've got to hold this until it says off. There we go. Set this to the side. I'm going to want to clean both tips with RO water here. So I'll grab a little bit of RO water. And what do we need? We needed the pH down. pH down. We'll get a little RO water in this and a wee bit of pH down in this. I'll go ahead and give this a little shake of pH down. Now to go from the 6.3 down, I'm going to put about, I probably won't even use that much of what I just put in there. I don't know, because I don't want it to shoot down, and this stuff does shoot down. It's a little bit of nice clean reverse osmosis water. Yes, I drink the RO water. I refill these containers and drink them because this is cleaner than the water that came in here is what we're now filtering. So it's wonderful. So I put that in my fridge to keep it all cold just for me to drink. Okay. There's to clean my tools. And let's see about a little, how much is in here? There's about a quarter of an ounce in there, approximately. Let's give it a little, about half of that, I guess. And let's see what that does. There, I'll put that on there to keep it all nice and clean. There we go. Give that a minute to mix up. Oh, here, we can clean our truncheon. I don't like shaking any of these electrical components to get the water off, but I do want the water off, so I tend to blow on them, particularly the pH pen. Blow on it, get all the water out of it, dry it with a towel, and then you can put it away. There we go. You are ready for storage there. Okay, that's mixed a bit. Let's go ahead and kick this back on. Hold on to that so this doesn't drop into the water. And let's see what we got. To be staying at 5.6, and we want 5.5 to 5.8, but actually 5.2 is the sweet spot for all hydroponics with an inert medium. Thus says science. So we're at 5.6, so we are between 5.5 and 5.8. We are sweet and good to go. All right. Looks like it read 5.5 there right at the end, which is grand. Just grand. So 5.2 to 5.8 is golden. If you go below 5.2, it's dangerous. So you don't want to go below 5.2. There we go. Dry the outside of this with our nice clean towel. And blow the insides dry and keep drying it. I'm blowing right up in here to get the water out. I just don't want water to set in there. And I certainly don't want to shake the electronics of here. Okay. Again, I've got the solution in there. This is all nice and dry and clean now. Put it back together and we are done. Now we're going to be on to watering. Here we can put these up. We can get rid of this and rinse it. We are done with that. We don't put it back in the bottle. There we go. Pardon my couple of dirty dishes. Let's get that rinsed. All right. Just dumped out and rinsed. There we go. Oh, here, I'll let that dry. That's ready to go next time. Everything in here, I have all of the adjusters to make sure that my pH pin is properly calibrated. The calibration pin, storage solution is all in the Blue Lab container. That's awful nice. All right, put this up. Certainly didn't take much pH down, huh? To do 55 gallons, a good 50 gallons anyways, 50 probably. Oh, we are right here with our beautiful watering wand. This thing is awesome for this particular grow. Okay, parts per million is good, pH is good. We are golden. Let's unplug our water. There we go. Nice and tight. Take this down almost all the way, then I'd like to give it just a little bit of a bump up. And we can plug this back in. Right about there. Maybe even a little less. Right about there, I think, for this first little bit. Okay. Move some of our plants. There's some electrical stuff. Move some of our plants aside. So we can get in here to our clones. And water our clones. Now I'm not going to sit here and take you through all of the watering process. I think you pretty much got this. I'm putting enough in there right now just to get the top soaked, and you can see it drain out the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not. See it fill up the tray up